Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford vehicle. It could work on multiple Ford models, guys, but if you're looking for the blower motor fan or for the blower motor fan resistor, guys, the one that controls the speed, stay with us, we will explain where it's located. On some Fords it's super easy location, and probably 8 out of 10 will be like that. On some will be really hidden. You hope that's not the case with yours, like it's with this one here, because it will require a tremendous amount of work to get to it. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, guys, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, guys, let's explain now. This is a Ford C-Max. If you have a Ford C-Max Escape, in some cases, certain models can be that way. We remove the glove box, guys. Glove box is completely removed. Now, most of the times when you remove your glove box or you come underneath the glove box, you will have on many Ford models, you have the body control module, and right here you will have the radiator fan resistor. It will be super easy to access. The radiator fan, the blower motor fan and the blower motor fan resistor will be right here. Super easy, guys. But surprise, now you don't see it, right? You look everywhere, you don't see it, guys. So where actually is that fan, guys? You look on the passenger side, it's nowhere to be found. So you come around, you look, you keep looking, and you keep looking, and if you pay attention, right there, guys, inside, inside that box there, that's your blower motor fan right there. That's the blower motor fan. We'll get the camera, guys, and I'll show you how we're going to access it, by the way. We're going to get a camera here, and with the camera, no, that's not good. We need to go, let me adjust it quick. We need to go to the top. Right there, perfect. This is the blower motor fan, guys. You can see that's the fan, that's the motor right here, and it's right in the middle of the dash. Now, what about the resistor? Where is the resistor, guys? And how do you access the cables for that blower motor fan? So, we have a special video that explains how to test blower motor fan and resistor on Ford, so you don't have to remove it unless you have to, because removing it to replace it, and if that's not the problem, that will create quite a bit of headache. So if you come right here, in our case, in the feed compartment, guys, things that I want to show you now. Let me zoom in a little bit. 1 second. Perfect. That thing, guys, all the way up there, that's your blower motor fan. You can see the two big cables, the red and the brown one, that's positive and negative cable. That's the blower motor fan motor right there. And if you come down here, they connect, you can see two connectors. One is the big fat cables, that's a positive and negative one, and the other one is cables with multiple connectors. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So you can see, that's your blower motor fan resistor, guys, right there. That's your fan resistor. In some cases that fan resistor is accessible through there and you can replace it. 9 out of 10 times when you have problems with the blower motor fan, it will be a bad resistor, and we'll have a video on the channel that will explain how to test it and find the speeds if they're working and all that stuff. So on that one, the blower motor fan resistor can be replaced, but the blower motor itself, in some cases you may need to remove the dash to do it, guys. That's whoever came up with that design, not very smart, and I think it's been removed on that car because the dash, you can see, hasn't been installed correctly. So a few things here actually are not aligning, and in the past the blower motor fan was replaced. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a Ford. Thank you for watching and see you next time.